Hello students, all my dear 8th class students. So welcome to maths class. We are continuing our first chapter, rational numbers, and in that we are in the second exercise. And yesterday we started a new concept in that second exercise. The new concept is finding the numbers between given rational numbers. If two numbers are given, find the numbers between two. So if it is a natural number or whole number or integer, easily you can tell. Suppose if you are asked to find the numbers between 3 and 15, so 3 and 15 natural numbers, if you are asked to write the natural numbers between 3 and 15, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 are the natural numbers between 3 and 15. Like that, if you are given whole numbers also, you can tell the numbers between or less or greater. Integers also, it is easy to tell the numbers between given two integers or less, the integers less than the given integer greater than the given integer. So all that you can find. But if it is a fraction, there will be a confusion. Suppose if a fraction is given, how to find the number less than that fraction or greater than that fraction, or if two fractions are given, how to find the number between the two fractions. So that model we are doing. And open the textbooks. This is exercise 1.2, third problem. Third problem. Find 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 5 by 6. Find 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 5 by 6. Find 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 5 by 6. 5 numbers which are smaller than 5 by 6. Rational number means all the numbers which you have studied till now, negative numbers, 0, positive numbers, fractions in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers. So all numbers are rational numbers. So rational numbers less than 5 by 6. Without any simplification, directly you can tell less than 5 by 6 means, see here, 4 by 6 will be definitely less than 5 by 6. See, answer different methods, we will get different answers, because less than 5 by 6 means how many numbers you will get? Less than 5 by 6 means you will get infinite number of answers. Infinite numbers less than 5 by 6. That means we are asked to write 5 numbers. So different methods we will get different numbers. Any number is correct. Any answer is correct. So 5 by 6 less than 5 by 6 means 4 by 6. Next 3 by 6. Next 2 by 6. Next 1 by 6. Next 0. Next negative numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many numbers we are asked to find? 5. Enough. Numbers less than 5 by 6 means 5 by 6 less means 4 by 6, 3 by 6, 2 by 6, 1 by 6, 0. Suppose if you express a number line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 6 by 6, for example. 6 by 6 is 1. So 5 by 6, 4 by 6, 3 by 6, 2 by 6, 1 by 6, and this is nothing but 0. So this 5 by 6 is here. 5 by 6 is here. So what are the numbers less than 5 by 6? 4 by 6, 3 by 6, 2 by 6, 1 by 6, 0. Like this, so many numbers, negative numbers also you can include if you are asked to write some more. So this is the answer. That's all. No, directly we can tell. It is easy to tell. So that's all. Write down. Even I explained you using the number line also, because this number line also we studied before this concept. So we did so many problems based on this 0 to 6, because denominator is 6. So up to 6 parts you take, and last will be 6 by 6, that is 1. And 5 by 6 means fifth part, 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth part. Fourth part will be 4 by 6. Third part will be 3 by 6. Second part will be 2 by 6. First part will be 1 by 6. Starting will be 0. If you want some more, come to the negative side. So these are the numbers between less than 5 by 6. Write down. Fourth question. See the textbook. Find 12 rational numbers between -1 and 2. 12 rational numbers between Find 12 numbers between -1 and 2. 12 numbers between -1 and 2. See here. Can you tell 12 numbers between -1 and 2? You may be thinking of only natural numbers or integers. So between -1 and 2, the numbers you know, after -1 we will get 0, and after 0 we will get 1, and after 1 we will get 2. If you think only from the perspective of the integers. So integers means between -1 and 2 there will be only two numbers. After -1 there will be 0. After 0, 0 will be 1. After 1 there will be 2. So stop here. So we will get two numbers between -1 and 2. But here the question is we have to write 12 numbers. And that too, rational numbers means you can take fractions also. So we have various methods. One is a mean method I explained. See, this I will solve by the second method, but for your understanding I will explain the mean method. See here, mean method. Because this is a lengthy method, because if one or two numbers are asked, by this method will be convenient. But if you are asked to write many numbers, the second method will be convenient, making the denominator same. So mean method means -1 plus 2 by 2. This is one number. Second number, -1 plus 1 by 2 by 2. Next, this will be -2 minus 1 by 4. Next, this plus this by 2. This will be 5 by 4 if you simplify. Next, this plus this by 2. Like this we can write 1, 2, 3, 4 like that 12 times. So a plus b by 2 we will get the number. Again a plus b by 2 we will get a number. A plus b by 2, a plus b by 2, a plus b by 2. Any number with this side or that side, you go keep on doing this, we will get many number of numbers. All will be between these two given numbers. This is the mean method I explained. But it will be difficult because doing it for 12 times will be lengthy. So I will apply the second method. So this method also you can write down. Mean method. -1 plus 2 by 2. This -1 plus 1 by 2 by 2. And again this 1 by 2 plus 2 by 2. 5 by 4 plus 2 by 2. If you have confusion with minus sign, take only with this number. So again with 13 by 8. 13 by 8 plus 2 by 2. You will get a number. Again that number plus 2 by 2. So keep on continue this process and you will get all the numbers between -1 and 2. So if you are asked to write 12 numbers, so do it for 12 times. second method is convenient here. Given numbers, in between these two we have to write 12 numbers. So second method I am applying. Second method means making denominators, making same denominator. Second method, making same denominator. -1 and 2 make same denominators. Any number. I will multiply and divide with 20. Here also I will multiply and denominator with 20. This -1 is given. I am multiplying the numerator and denominator with 20. Any number you can multiply. So that no change in the value. 20, 20 cancel, 1 only. 1 into -1, -1 only. I am not changing the value, but expressing in another form. So this is -20 by 20. And this is 40 by 20. Between these two, you can tell so many numbers. So 12 rational numbers between given numbers are tell the numbers between these two. You can tell infinite numbers. From here you can start, or from here you can start. Suppose if I start from here, tell any number less than this. Tell the number less than this. 40 by 20 means less means 39 by 20. This is 40 by 20. Tell a number less than this. 39 by 20. Another number 38 by 20, 37 by 20, 36 by 20, 35 by 20, 34 by 20, 33 by 20, 32 by 20, 31 by 20, 30 by 20. Some more numbers. 29 by 20, 28 by 20, 'Any method, any process, you will get the answer. There is no particular rule. So from here if you start negative, you will get some confusion. So to avoid that, I took only from positive. That is enough. See, 12 numbers we are asked to write. So any method you can apply. So first I explained the mean method, but it will be a lengthy process for getting 12 numbers. So this method is somewhat easy, because if you make the denominator same, then that ends the matter. Multiply the numerator and denominator with 20, so the denominator 20, here also denominator 20. 22 is a 40 by 20, 20 by 20. So tell the numbers less than this, 39, 38, 37, like that. We can multiply and divide with 10 also, but if you take bigger denominator, we can write more numbers conveniently. Even we can multiply the numerator and denominator with 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, any number. But if you take bigger, we can write more numbers. It will be convenient. So look at this process. So answer will not be same. Suppose if you apply any other method, the answer will be different, because see, between these two only 12 numbers doesn't exist. Infinite numbers exist. Not only 12 numbers, there will be infinite numbers between these two. So we will get infinite number of answers like this. Write down the question. Find a rational number between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. Find a rational number between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. Mean method. Two methods I will explain. Because only one number is asked. Find a rational number between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. Mean method. Given numbers are, write down. Given numbers are 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. Write down. Given numbers are 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. The rational number between these numbers is equal to, the rational number between these numbers is equal to mean method. Mean method means this plus this by 2, a plus b by 2, mean method. A plus b by 2. You can find the number between these two applying this process, a plus b by 2. So 12 LCM, 3 4 times 4 2s are 8, 4 3 times 3 3s are 9, by 2 is same, 9 plus 8 17 by 24 is one number. Only one number is asked, so you can find you apply this mean method. Mean method. Next, method 2. Method 2. Making same denominator. Making same denominator. Making same denominator. Make the same denominator. So make the denominator same. For that, suppose if you write the multiples of 3, 3 multiples are 3, 6, 18, 20, that is 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, so on. 4 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24. So 24 will be the common number. So we can make the denominators like 24 so that it will be convenient. So multiplying denominator with 8, 16 by 24. Multiplying denominator with 6, 18 by 24. Between 16 and 18 you can easily tell one number. What is the number between 16 and 17? 16 and 18? 17. This is another method. Make the denominator same. So if you take the multiples of 3 like this, multiples of 4, so greatest common divisor, that means 20, that is so common factor we have to find. So common multiple, so that denominators will become same. Common multiple, that is 24 is a common number. So if you how to make 3 as 24 multiply with 8. So 4 as 24 means multiply with 6, so that both the denominators will become same. Suppose if you are asked to write some more number, so multiply with some bigger number, very bigger number, make the denominator same, so that you can tell any number of numbers between the given numbers. This is the second method. Both the methods I explained, so understand this concept. Sixth, find 10 rational numbers between 5 Find 10 rational numbers between minus 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. See here, we have two methods. Any method you can apply. One is mean method. So mean method means a plus b by 2, you will get one number, again a plus b by 2, another number, a plus b by 2, extending that, continuing that process. So till we get 10 numbers, that you can do, but it is a lengthy process, because getting 10 numbers, it is very lengthy process. So the easy process is make the denominators same. Denominator same. Making similar denominator, same denominator. Making same denominator. Making same denominators. Make the denominator same. So you can make the same with the same denominators, like I gave the previous example, continue the multiples, so that find the common multiple, and or see any number. Suppose if I multiply the numerator and denominator with this 6, so that minus 18 by 24, and here I am multiplying the numerator and denominator with this 4, so that this will become 20 by 24. Multiplying the numerator and denominator with 4, this with 6, so that 24 denominators become same. Now you write 10 numbers between these two. So if you start from minus, you will get some confusion. To avoid that, let us write from the positive, because so many numbers we can get even from this side also. No need of extending for the negative numbers. So the numbers, write down 10 rational numbers. 10 rational numbers between the above numbers is equal to, what is the number? 19 by 24, 18 by 24, 17 by 24, 16 by 24, 15 by 24, 14 by 24, 13 by 24, 10 rational numbers between the given numbers is equal to 10 rational numbers between the given numbers is equal to, so less between these means it should be greater than this, it should be less than this. So instead of starting from here, because this is a positive number, easily you can tell. So numbers less than this means denominators keep same. Less than 20 means 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, like that, 10, 9, 8, 11, like z up to 0, minus, like that you can write any number of numbers. So this is the second method I applied, making the denominators same. One is mean method and another is making the denominator same. So this method is convenient for to write more numbers. So that I applied, and these are the numbers. This is the answer. Okay, write down. So students, with this we completed a 1.2 exercise. In these two types of problems we solved. One is representing the fraction rational number on a number line. First two problems based on that concept. And next is writing the numbers between the given two rational numbers, or less than a rational number, or greater than a rational number. For that we studied two methods. One is mean method, a plus b by 2. Using that method we can find number of numbers between the given numbers, but it will be somewhat lengthy. So second method is multiply the numerator and denominator with some number, so that make the denominator same in both the fractions, so that we can write conveniently any number of numbers between the given numbers. This is the second method, making that same denominator. So with this we completed this exercise 1.2, and so this homework is Page 21, example 5, example 6, example 7, page 22, page 23. And read a few problems are given in page 23. Page 24. Page 25. Example 8. So complete these examples. With that, this exercise is over and all the problems based on this exercise over. Tomorrow we'll start the next exercise. Thank you very much, students. Have a nice day.